Hi there, students. Bully, a noun. To bully, a verb. A bully boy. Bullying, another noun. The act of being a bully, the act of bullying somebody. Okay, let's see. A bully is somebody who hurts or tries to frighten other people, particularly over a period of time. Somebody who is habitually trying to hurt people that they think are weaker than themselves. So, yeah, he's just a big bully. Bullying in the playground can be a big problem. Okay, so to bully, to intimidate somebody who is vulnerable. Were you bullied at school? It takes a lot of guts to stand up to a bully. Yeah, bullying can be a serious problem. This guy is the office bully. He's a coward and a bully. Yeah, he thinks bullying people makes him strong. I wasn't going to let him bully me into doing what he asked. The teacher asked if the child was being bullied by other people. So yeah, a bully, somebody who physically or is emotionally cruel to others, especially vulnerable people or people who have less power or privilege. Yet the playground bully. This is a bully, a noisy, tyrannical person who's probably more insolent than brave, and they're always looking for arguments. So a bully boy, a hired thug, a henchman. Yes, he arrived with his bully boys and demanded that the money be paid back immediately. Okay, so bully. Let's see, bully beef, yeah, is a different meaning. It's a type of corned beef or preserved in a tin. You've also got the phrase bully for you, bully for them, good for them, excellent for them. Yeah, he managed to escape, bully for him. That expresses admiration, a completely different meaning, although you can use it ironically. So they raised his pay 10 pence a week, bully for him. So that's using it ironically as well. Okay, but a bully, somebody who's trying to harm, coerce somebody. The bullies always took his lunch money. Yeah, they bullied him into doing things that he didn't want to do. So a bully, an oppressor, a tormentor, yeah, a ruffian, to bully, to intimidate, to hound, to victimize. Okay, so bully. Yeah, bullying is online bullying is certainly a problem and something that we need to do something about. Okay, so to bully, he's a bully boy. He's intimidating weaker people. He's not a very nice guy. Yeah, he's a bit of a hooligan, a yobbo, a tough. Yeah, I wish he wasn't such a bully boy. Don't let yourself be a victim of bullies. Stand up to bullying, to intimidation. Don't let them bully you. Yeah, to bully somebody into doing something, to coerce, to bulldoze them, to browbeat them into doing it. Yeah, to bully somebody into doing something. So yeah, to bully, quite a few little meanings. Let's see. Formality, I give it a 5 in formality. I think you could use it anywhere. Informally, very formally, perfectly fine. As well, to bully is a regular verb. They bullied him. He has been bullied. And then as to origin, it probably comes from Dutch, bol, meaning lover or brother. Yeah, and the Y at the end is probably a diminutive. And that comes from Proto-Germanic bolo. Yeah. I think that was meaning a brother or somebody you love as well. So anyway, enough. A bully, a person who hurts emotionally or physically weaker people, very often to just feel good about themselves. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Bullying.